Trees Our Best Friend essay for Class 6. Trees are the most visible part of Mother Nature. Trees are mostly green in color. We can see trees outside our houses, on the road, in our school and every place outdoor. Trees are living things and very useful for the survival of other living beings. Trees consist of barks, leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. Trees are enormous. We are providing students of Class 6 with 2 essay samples on the topic Trees Our Best Friend in English for reference. Short essay on trees our best friend of 100 words. As the superior living creatures, trees are our best friend. Trees are abundant with qualities that make our lives easier. Trees give us food, water, air and shelter. Trees charge us nothing in exchange for all the products it provides us with. We must be grateful to get trees as our best friend. As trees make our lives so easier, it is our responsibility to conserve them and respect them. Trees are our best friend that helps us out in life and caters to our needs. Trees make the world look beautiful. Trees have become our best friend, and we must respect them. Engage your kid into diverse thoughts and motivate them to improve their English with our essay for Class 6 and avail the simple essays suitable for them. Long essay on trees our best friend of 150 words. Trees are one of the important parts of survival. Trees are living things, just like human beings. Trees provide us with air, food, water and shelter. Trees directly or indirectly cater to most of our living needs. Thus, we call trees our best friend. Without trees, the world will be devoid of important components necessary for living like food, water and air. Trees, like a best friend, stay by our side and never goes away. Trees help us in living with numerous useful ways, just like a best friend does. Trees are beautiful creatures that make the world a better place. Trees are a gift of God that must be respected by us. Trees never fail to establish their duty as our best friend. Thus, it is our responsibility always to support trees and never let them fall down. All friends will come and go, but trees will forever stand by our side. 10 lines on trees our best friend in English. 1. Trees are our best friend in the whole world. 2. Trees provide us with useful components of survival. 3. Trees give us food, water, air and shelter. 4. Trees never ask anything in exchange from us humans for the favors it blesses us with. 5. Trees are the primary source of oxygen that we breathe. 6. Trees are important for rainfall and various other climatic phenomena. 7. Trees stay by our side as a best friend would without any demands and complaints. 8. Trees make the world look beautiful and bring about the essence of nature. 9. Trees must be everyone's official best friend for the favors it does upon us. 10. Trees must be respected and conserved, just like a best friend is. Frequently asked questions on trees our best friend essay. Question: why are trees our best friend? Answer: a real friend is someone loyal, respectful, and sincere to us just like trees are. Trees always help us by catering to our needs in direct and indirect ways. Trees stay beside us in good times as well as bad times just like best friends do. Question: how do trees help us as a best friend? Answer: trees give us shelter, food, water, and air. Trees emit oxygen, and human beings and animals inhale it. Trees make it rain. Trees directly and indirectly always stand next to us just like a best friend. Question: what should a Tree Our Best Friend essay consist of? Answer: an essay for Tree Our Best Friend must consist of all the qualities that trees provide us with. The essay must be slightly emotional that helps the students not only to gain factual knowledge but also moral values. Thank you for watching this video. Please help me to click subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comment to see daily uploading. Good luck and have a nice day.